Hello, I am Riley. I am Donna's son. Um, Unfortunately, the beginning of this video was lost for reasons that we still do not know. So we're just reshooting this now to avoid like other complications. So this video was a gift we got from Carolyn from Crafting with Wine, and I honestly was not expecting like a gift of this generosity. So I just want to thank her immensely for the following. Um, I think she's a wonderful person for doing this. You should definitely go check out her channel. There'll be a link in the description. And yeah, enjoy the video.
Okay guys, I don't know why that stopped recording, but
Yeah.
this is the box all open.
Yes, very nicely decorated.
It's amazing, isn't it?
I know.
Look at all that stuff in there.
Right. When I felt that it was heavy, I didn't expect all of this.
Wow,
This is just...
that's amazing. Are you going to work your way through all that and see what there is?
Probably.
Okay, where do you want to start?
So, Reese's Crunchy Cookie. I've had Reese's Peanut Butter Cups before, but I haven't had these ones, so these look pretty cool.
I suppose most of these you won't have had before because they're all...
Yeah, they're all, American.
Do you want to take them out? Put them on the side.
That would make more sense.
Yeah. We could put them all back in the box in a minute. Baby
Ruth. I've always wanted to try one of these, like, forever. I've heard they are so good. So, thank you for the opportunity. This Milky Way. This is very differently styled to Milky Ways in the UK, that's for sure.
Yeah, ours are all blue packaging.
Yeah, ours are blue packaging. This is brown and green. Interesting. Zero. I have no idea what this is. Caramel peanut and almond nougat covered with white fudge.
See all the confetti.
My God.
That confetti bomb.
I know.
Oh my goodness, Carolyn, you're so sweet.
Yeah. Cowtails. If I can read what they are. Chewy caramel with a cream centre.
I think we've got hits so far.
We do. I mean, so far there's nothing which I'm, like, not a fan of. Milk Duds. I think I may have seen these before.
I think we, I bought some once.
Yeah.
I think I, yeah. I think you've tried those as well.
Yeah. Reese's Pieces. Because nothing gets the day started like rocks. I mean, in all seriousness, this is probably going to be something which I'll eat the whole pack of and regret it deeply. What are these? Jolly Ranchers. Can't say I'm going to be a fan of those, but...
Yeah, at least you'll try them, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm going to try hopefully everything if I don't go into a diabetic coma. Lemon heads. Is this a challenge? Is this becoming a challenge now? I see how it is.
I've seen so many of these things, you know, like on American TV shows.
Yeah.
And
Paydays. My God, it has been forever since I've even heard of these. So, yeah. Something to look
this
forward
box
to.
is going to keep you going for a long time.
Oh, there's confetti everywhere. Milk chocolate caramel, very simplistic, very fancy. Sorry if I'm like not going into a lot of detail. There is just so much stuff that I need to get through. Butterfingers. I had a feeling these were going to be in here because that is just Butterfinger bites. Yeah, I don't think any like American collection of candy is going to be complete without Butterfingers. More Jolly Ranchers. Well, so far I've had grape and cherry flavour. Got a few
We're
of those
amassing
sprinkled throughout.
a very big selection here.
Yeah. Mike and Ike. Original fruits. Chewy assorted fruit flavoured candies. So basically Tic Tacs.
Are they like Tic Tacs?
Yeah. And speaking of Tic Tacs, we have some Tic Tacs here anyway. So yeah, what's that? I have no idea what these are, but
Oh, they look good though.
I mean, come on.
Ooh. Does it say on the top what they are?
Marsha's homemade Buckeyes. Slightly off-putting, but
I don't actually think. Let me see. Let me have a read, see what it says. Oh, I'm not sure. That it looks like chocolate and biscuit. It looks like biscuit in those.
yeah, or something. Charleston Chew. Chewy flavoured nougat with delicious chocolatey coating. These are minis. There is already a huge pile of stuff beside me. Oh my god. More Jolly Ranchers in blue raspberry, grape and apple.
Oh my gosh.
Rolos.
You like Rolos?
I love Rolos. Need I say more? This is just called dots, which are basically gumdrops.
You're going to be spoiled for choice what you're going to try first.
Yeah. Oh, what is...
Let's show that, what is it?
Yeah, it's a little bat.
Oh, that is cute.
Yeah.
That is cute.
Yeah. What are these? Big League Chew bubble gum. Not really one for gum, but yeah.
Give it a go.
Yeah. Raisinets.
Oh, I've heard of Raisinets. Are they like chocolate covered raisins?
Yeah. California raisins covered in chocolate.
Nice. Goobers.
Milk chocolate, fresh roasted peanuts. Can't say I've heard of these, so that'll be interesting. Pork rinds.
Oh, it's like pork scratchings.
Haven't heard of those either, but
Oh.
more Jolly Ranchers. New flavour, watermelon, and more apple.
Wow.
There is a lot in here. I knew there was going to be a lot, but looking through this, there is a lot more than I thought. Oh my Jesus.
What is that?
It's a massive Slim Jim.
Wow. Was it like a fruit thing, is it?
I don't know. We will find out.
We will find out, indeed.
Whoppers. Malted milk balls. These are very similar to Maltesers.
I was just going to say, I bet they're like Maltesers.
Yeah. I mean, they look like it, at least. What are these? Gold Mine Nugget Bubblegum. Can't really see much, but oh, yeah, we got something.
Oh.
Kool-Aid, because of course.
Or do you just mix that with water?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I mean, stupid people would just drink this from that.
Yeah,
but,
no.
you know, what is this? Nerds.
Oh, look, those little tiny things.
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
It's a giant rope of them.
Oh,
Apparently.
goodness.
I'm running out of space.
That's alright.
I don't have much. Typical Oreos. 6 of them to be exact.
You love your Oreos.
Yep. That's for certain. Combos stuffed snacks. Pizzeria.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, I just saw the pizza on the cover and I'm sold.
You have to know about this boy. He is a pizza.
Pizza is my single favourite food, merely because it's so customizable.
He loves his pizza.
And last but not least, potato sticks. Basically chips.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I mean, these are like the ones that I like because I'm a bigger fan of like American style fries because they're more crispy than like actual like British chips. So yeah.
Aww. Is that everything?
That's everything.
Oh my goodness. He's amassed quite a pile down here.
Yeah. There's a lot.
So, do you want to say anything?
Again, just huge thank you. I mean, I don't even know how to put this into words. Just how amazed I am that you put not only this much effort in giving me all of this, but also in this box that is just incredibly well made. I just can't say thank you enough. This is incredible.
Aww. Well, I think he's a little bit overwhelmed now, I think.
Yeah.
So I think we'll stop we'll stop filming there so we can get packed away. Carolyn, sweetheart, thank you so much. That's so lovely of you. We're just gonna have to, you know, make sure he doesn't eat it all in one go.
Yeah, that would not be a good idea.
Thank you so much, sweetheart. That's so generous of you. Thank you very much. So thanks so much, guys, for watching. And I'll leave the link to Carolyns channel in the description bar below if you would just pop over and show her some YouTube love.
Definitely do that.
Yeah. So thank you again so much, Carolyn, and we'll be back soon. And do you want to say bye, Riley?
Bye.